Today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely baby bib using poppers. You'll notice I've used contrasting colours to go with the material, and I've put 2 on, and that way on you can adjust it as the baby gets a little bit bigger, and or if it's too big, make it smaller. So I'd advise you to have a couple of poppers on there. So choose your lovely material and then choose your contrasting poppers. I've got a lovely box here which is great fun. So as I say, 2 of one and 1 of the other. So if you have a little look, you'll see one is the insert and then one is the bit that goes in. So you need 2 of one and 1 of the other. It doesn't really matter which way round they are. Now I've actually measured this baby's bib to be 18 across here and 9 down here. Now you'll see I've cut out some dinosaur material. I got these off of Fat Quarters in the local sewing shop, so they're lovely. So it's a real cheap way of doing it. But I've just used some white for the back. You can get all different, or you can use a flannelette sheet. I've just used plain white for the back of the bib. So you need to cut obviously the same size out again. You could do the material on both sides, it's entirely up to you. And then you lay them on here. What I do is I do the first corner, so make sure you overlock it, make sure it's overstitched, I meant to say, and you come into the corner, and then I'm going to come all the way down here, all the way along there, and I'm going to stop when I get to there because you need to turn it in the other way. So you want your right sides facing for this bit. So as you see, I've left a gap here. Clip your corners, tidy your edges up if you want to, clip those, and then we need to turn it in the right way. Okay, by poking it all the way through. And then when you've poked it through, get your scissor point into the triangle corner and just ease it out. So you pushed out the corners. Now you've got this edge here that we need to top, so all I'm going to do is top stitch this down on here. This is one I've already done. I needed to change the colour on this one because it's purple. You can go all the way around the edge if you want to. It makes it a lot firmer if you do that. So now to put the poppers on, you'll see there's 2 one end and 1 the other, and you'll notice that the disc is facing this way on this one and up this way on this one. You need to come in a little tiny bit. So you've come in a little tiny bit into the material. So decide which end you're going to have 2 the same on, and then the other. It doesn't matter if you have 2 of the ones where they press into the press stud, or 2 the same of the popping out ones. So say not too near the edge, come in, make a hole, and then you pop this through there. And then pop this, whoops, it's alive, on there, without putting too much pressure on. Make sure the disc is completely covered and apply a bit of pressure. As I say, the other end we're doing it the opposite way, so we're just going to apply a small amount of pressure there. So there you have it, all our lovely bibs for our little grandson. I just can't wait to pop that on him. It won't stay clean for long though, I'm sure of that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching all our videos, Deraton 33.